In 2025, researchers tracking sleep and mental performance found something alarming. Losing just about 90 minutes of sleep a night for a short period was enough to significantly reduce working memory and attention, similar to the decline seen with several years of aging. Imagine this: a few late nights, and your brain starts behaving like it's already several years older. Most people think they're just a bit tired. But in reality, their brain is quietly operating in slow motion. Right now, more than half of adults are sleeping less than 7 hours a night, and many students and professionals live in a constant state of mild sleep deprivation. The result is not just sleepiness, it is measurable cognitive decline, slower reaction time, weaker memory, and poor decision-making. Every night you cut short, you are borrowing brain power from tomorrow with interest. During deep sleep, your brain activates a special cleaning system called the glymphatic network. It flushes out toxic waste products that accumulate while you're awake, including proteins linked with neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. When you regularly miss sleep, this cleaning cycle is disrupted, and waste products can gradually build up in the brain over time. Sleep is not passive rest. It is active maintenance, your brain's night shift housekeeping. Sleep loss does not stay in your head, it shifts your hormones too. Stress hormone levels like cortisol rise, while hormones that regulate hunger and fullness move out of balance, driving cravings for high-calorie food and making weight gain more likely over time. Your body is trying to compensate for low energy by demanding more fuel, even when you don't truly need it. One of the most striking findings in sleep science is what happens to your immune system after a short night. In experiments, restricting people to about 4 hours of sleep for a single night led to a drop of around 70% in the activity of natural killer cells, the immune cells that help detect viruses and abnormal cells. That is a temporary but dramatic state of immune weakness from just one bad night. Your body follows a 24-hour pattern known as the circadian rhythm. Light in the morning strengthens this internal clock and improves alertness, while bright light late at night confuses it and delays the natural release of melatonin, your sleep hormone. When your schedule, your screens, and your environment fight this clock, your sleep becomes lighter, shorter, and less restorative. Research suggests that most people sleep best in a cool, quiet, and dark environment, with bedroom temperatures roughly in the range of 16 to 20 degrees Celsius, though individual comfort can vary. A cooler room helps your core body temperature drop, which is one of the signals that allows you to fall asleep faster and reach deeper stages of sleep. Modern studies on sleep restriction and recovery show that when people return to consistent, sufficient sleep, around 7 or more hours per night, working memory, attention, and reaction time can significantly improve within about a week. Here is a simple science-backed reset you can start tonight. Wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. Get natural light within the first 30 minutes of waking. Avoid bright screens for at least 45 to 60 minutes before bed. Keep your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. Treat sleep as a non-negotiable part of your health, not a luxury. So the real question is not, can you afford to sleep more? It is, can you afford the cost of not sleeping enough in memory, immunity, and years of healthy brain function? Sleep is not wasted time. It is the nightly upgrade that keeps your mind sharp, your body resilient, and your future self grateful.